liberation exercise. But order if he John Dramani Mahama I say no one should storm there, and until people did not storm there. So afterwards, we were wondering, so what is really next? You see, in Kitia Catcher is a more master plan, and clearly from the announcement and the news about to just see, it is hinting or telling us this particular master plan has already started. I didn't make us the same way. Currently, we know say in breaking news this particular recollation the EC did are out of the 9 contested seats so far. A very controversial. Emu 7 echo D MPP for currently, as I'm speaking with you, the Supreme Court in Simbia Babetuja. Now, this is coming from Daily Graphic, obviously, as you can see on the screen. It says, Recollation Saga, Supreme Court to hear NDC's application December 27, which means Yamebua Echnechi, which happens to be more like a Friday. And the Supreme Court pets nice normal a year NDC for application for the Supreme Court. Now, the reason why this is so much a good news for the National Democratic Congress is that EC, I don't even know how to put it. Let me break it down. In 2020, EC, the new rule be by your friend is CI and a new law, or more amended or more a constitution, or the new law be by a friend new law, CI 127. Now, CI 127 in the EC's rules, and in the EC law, EC air patcher said. Recollation yenti me nya recollation after say yabobo results, which means that we can only do recollation before we announce the results. This was amended in the 2020 EC Constitution. I find CI 127. So if we are going by the Constitution and the playbook of a Electoral Commission or more amended laws now, which means this particular recollation, either say court ebebogu and now court ebeka say we should go and have a new elections. Secondly, I'll be breaking this down for you to understand where this one is also heading. Secondly, EC argument or the two social media and no reply NDC for John Dramani Mahama is saying Kitian Sami Jemfi and allegations by say EC now say they are working for the New Patriotic Party. EC argument on the by almost citing records of a year Farijan and a year other past members like Charlotte Osea. Basically recollation of course during their tenure, but those cases were 2004, 2008, and before a friend is in the tenure of Jen Mensah. Now Jen Mensah 2020, she amended the laws and on the CI 127 so everything that happened before CI 127 ain't me because a past sentence, the new law are into effect. It stated just one thing. No recollation after the results have been made. A chair said recollation can only be done before the results. And I said before both parties ABR or more agree. So recollation, you announce the results. There's no recollation according to the Electoral Commission one brown. After the announcement of the results, no recollation, and any party be out say. Law and as elections we need to go to court. So ideally the parties which was supposed to be the EC and the New Patriotic Party, they were supposed to go to court to halt the process and as a demand for another re-election and as a recollation and as a by-election. Now we check the body of this because there is a twist to this. I'll say the Supreme Court will on Friday, the 27th of 2024, sit to hear the National Democratic Congress application challenging the High Court's decision to ordered the Electoral Commission to collate and recollate the parliamentary results in six constituencies. Now, basically, in this, just telling us the Supreme Court sits on this particular case. Again, an Accra High Court on December 20th ordered the Electoral Commission to bring finality to the election in 6 constituencies by collating the results and declaring the winners the winners in tandem with the electoral laws of the country. Again, the 6 constituencies were Tema Central, Nsawama Dwedri, Ablukuma North, Ahafo North, and Techiman South, and Okwaike Central. Apart from the order to collate the results and declare the winners, the court presided over by Justice Reverend Joseph Edu Owusu Ajiman further ordered the Inspector General of Police to provide EC with adequate security and recollection at the recollection centers to enable the commission to discharge its duty. So basically, this was a year High Court ruling some time ago. But then CCR, even though a year NDC for the application, a common High Court sanka halting recollection, the court subsequently ruled against them, telling them that the EC should go ahead and recollect. Yati no say, but EC follow the court's orders to recollect, and no NDC for Asandiako Supreme Court said, based on the law, a year CI 127, EC does not have the necessary permission to do another recollection, because the law nature said you can't do recollection after the results have been made public, and any other grievances beyond after the results have been made public, it should go to court. So this is the master argument, the National Democratic Congress going further into a Echinichi Friday. Courts, Supreme Court, this is the argument of Mumeki. And one person currently also didn't know about two same something.